I just gave Claude 20 messy invoices, different vendors, different file names, different formats, and I just drag and drop into Claude, and it just gives me this beautifully parsed spreadsheet. I'm going to show you how to do this in no time, no effort, using just Claude. First of all, I'm going to show you in this short tutorial, 5-6 minutes, how to do this, and you're going to thank me later. This is Jaco from Jaco Agency, and I'm going to do this real AI applications for your daily life, daily work, daily tasks, and you're going to do this very easily. So yeah, first of all, you will need to go to Claude Desktop, and you can just download if you have Mac or you have Windows. In my case, I already did. So yeah, I'm gonna just jump into Claude Desktop, and instead of chat, you have this new Cowork tool. It's kind of new, and it's like an employee for you. It can do tasks. It can do anything for you. You just have to prompt it, and it's very easy to do. In this case, you have this chat as you would have in the normal Claude chat, but in this case, you can choose the folder that you want to work with. In this case, I just put the invoice demo that are just the instructions folder. Yeah, different. We have different invoices. For the sake of the tutorial, these are not real, so don't worry. And yeah. For example, you have these different invoices, and we want to do is just work with this folder, in this case, invoice demo, and you just have to type the instructions. In this case, I'm going to say to Claude, these are 20 invoice PDFs in the attached folder. The file names are a mess. Some are scans, some have vendor names, some are just numbers. Please read each invoice and identify the vendor, date, category, and total amount. Sort them into subfolders by category: software, travel, office, marketing, services, utilities. Create an Excel file called invoices-summary.xlsx with one row per invoice column. In this case, we're going to just sort it by different columns: file name, vendor, date, category, subtotal, tax, and total. At the bottom, add category tools and a grand total. Use live Excel formulas for the total so they recalculate if I change a value. This is very important. So if I just click let's go, it's going to run in the background, and it's going to do all these tasks that you don't need to worry about. And yeah, in this case, I already did that, and you have this output. And also you can connect, this is the output. Okay, and also you can connect it with your Google Drive. For me, I already linked to my account, but for you, if it's your first time, you will need to allow like all the permissions. Click allow, click OK, and voila, you will have this beautifully parsed Excel. And this is just the beginning. I mean, you can do also scheduling tasks for repetitive tasks, so you don't have to do it every time you want to, but in a scheduled time. And yeah, for the sake of the tutorial, I'm gonna just end it here. But I'm going to show you different skills, different real AI projects for your daily life. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.